Hey guys, so I'm going to show you guys this money magnet box that I have available on my website. It's only $50 and it has a lot of good things in here to help you manifest money. So first thing you get is the box. It's a really cute keepsake box and it says choose to shine on it. We'll open it up and see what's inside. That's going to help you manifest money. First thing we have is a gratitude journal. Now a gratitude journal is needed because you need gratitude to be able to manifest money. You have to be able to be thankful for what you already have so you can manifest more the things that you want. So already be thankful. Write down those things in the book. Only good things, affirmations, and what you're thankful for. Next thing, you need some affirmation cards because you're going to need to be able to speak the affirmations that you need to manifest the money because your words are your power. So it says, I attract money and opportunities and I am a money magnet. Handmade by myself. Next thing you're going to need is some white sage. The sage is going to help amplify your intentions. It's going to help also clear away negative energy in your space so that you can bring in some good energy. After that, we have a green intention candle. The green intention candle burns in under 30 minutes, and it's really good for what you do is write down your intentions on a piece of paper. Burn this during a good, quiet, peaceful time in your day, during a bath, while you're morning. And why this is burning, you're only focusing on what you're trying to manifest, which is money and prosperity. Or be very specific when you're trying to manifest. So if it's money, make sure the amount is in there. If it's a house, be specific in the house. So you got this candle burns in under 15 minutes. After that, we have some sweetening oil. This is called Sweet Pussy. It's an attraction oil. It smells so good, it lasts all day. This all over throughout your day. It's a prosperity. The bracelet, here is the matching waist bead that goes with it, and you're going to tie this on, wear this. If you don't want to wear it around your waist, you can wear it on as a bracelet or anklet or necklace. After that, we have some black soap scrub, Sweet Pussy attraction oil, so you're going to be smelling good. After you shower, then you're going to rub on your Sweet Pussy oil, and then you're going to be repeating your affirmations to manifest money. Also got you a spiritual bath in here. It's good to take a spiritual bath at least once a week, more often if you need it. But you're just going to pour this in your tub, light a few candles, be focused in that during that bath. Be focused on what you're trying to manifest. Okay, be very specific. Last but not least, and it from head to toe. I put it in your hair. You can put it. I put it in your hair. You can put it in your hair. You can also put it on your hands and feet. Because it's tea tree oil, it's really good for your scalp. It's really good for dry hands. You got fungus on your feet. It's good for that. But I really love this stuff, and that's going to be in there. And you can get all of these items for only $50 on the website. Now, if you're smart, you will go ahead and use the code. Well, you don't even need a code. See, it's already a discount already in there to this week. If you spend $50 or more on the website, it's going to automatically bring it down to $30 anyway. And but I really want you to get more. Check out my website at beadedandbalance.com. I make, my children make as well, and balance and harmony in your life. Okay, so we got your money magnet box. It's only peace, love, and balance. Have a great, wonderful day.